Hey guys, it's Mrs. Saucetta. I wanted to show you how to complete your work if you missed February 3rd. So for February 3rd, 203, just look for the assignment labeled 203, Black History Month. So today we're going to just focus on Black History Month using the attached Google slide. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the images on slide 2 to learn about both Jesse Owens and Billie Holiday. Then you're going to write a 6-word summary about them on slide 3, and there is video instructions on that. And then you're going to pick a book to read on slide 4 or 5 and complete the Google form on slide 4 for a chance to win a prize. And that is not mandatory, that's an optional part. Number 3 is optional, reading the book and completing the Google form for the prize. So what you're going to do is reminding you February is Black History Month. When you go to slide 2, you're going to click on the image of Jesse Owens and you're going to read the description. So you'll take a look at the picture, that's Jesse Owens. It says Jesse Owens to the right is competing in the 1936 Olympic Games at Berlin. The racism of Hitler's Germany gave rise to a movement in the United States to boycott the 1936 Olympics. Hitler tried to use games as a showcase for the achievement of his Reich, but the outstanding performance of American Jesse Owens and the 4 other black gold medal winners gave the lie to theories of Aryan racial superiority. The 23-year-old Owens won 4 gold medals in track and field and set 2 Olympic records and tied a 3rd. So you can exit out of that, and then you click on the television, and you're going to watch this video. And this will tell you about African Americans in baseball. And you just hit the play button to start the video. So you watch that, and then you click on the image, and you can check out a book about Billie Holiday called Strange Fruit. Billie Holiday is a singer, one of my favorite singers, so you can borrow that book and read that. And then on slide 3, you're going to write a 6-word summary about Jesse Owens and Billie Holiday. And if you're not sure how to do a 6-word summary, there's a video right here that tells you how to do it. Once you're done with that, you can watch a video about inspirational quotes. And then you can pick a book on either slide 4 or slide 5. And there's a whole library of books if you click here. So you're going to pick a book about Black history, and then once you finish the book, you click on this form link to fill out a Google form, and you get entered into a raffle to win a prize. This part's optional. You don't have to read the book and fill out the Google form. This is the optional part, but you do get to win a prize if you do that. So you have the whole month of February to pick a book and read one, and then enter the information in the Google form, and hopefully you win. Once you're done, just exit out. It should save automatically and turn in the assignment. If you have any questions, let me know.